नमस्कार। चिन्मयानंद महाराज की जय। श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री सरस्वत्ये नमः. Hello, we are here with our first video of our new initiative. In this video, I am going to explain the meaning of Atharva Shirsha as per my knowledge of language. So, here we start with the chant of God. श्वेतांगं श्वेतवस्त्रं सितकुसुमगणैः पूजितं श्वेतगन्धैः क्षीराब्धौ रत्नदीपैः सुरनरतिलकं रत्नसिंहासनस्थं दोर्भिः पाशाङ्कुशाब्जाभयवरदधतं रत्नमौलिं त्रिनेत्रं ध्यायेत् शान्त्यर्थमीशं गणपतिममलं श्रीसमेतं प्रसन्नं. महागणपतये नमः. Namaskaromi. First of all, what is Atharva Shirsha? I explain you in single line. Hymn, that is stotra in praise of Ganesha from the Atharva Veda, that is Ganapati Atharva Shirsham. It is also known as the Ganapati Atharva Shirsha Upanishad. So here we start. Harihi Om. ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैर्सुष्ठुवांसस्तनूभिर्व्यक्षेम देवहिदञ्जदायुः. Let us hear good things through our ears, see good things through our eyes, and may we enjoy our life allotted to us, offering praises to the gods with our strong bodies. स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तारक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु. May the gods Indra, Push, Garud and Brihaspati bestow blessings on us and protect us. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May there be peace all around, both inside and outside of us. ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यम्. I bow to the three Ganpati. You are personified form of Brahma. You are the creator, protector and destroyer of all the beings. You are the indweller, eternal, evident self in all of us. Ritam vachmi, satyam vachmi. I shall speak the scriptural truth and the experiential truth only. Avattvamam, avavaktaram, avashrotaram, avadataram, avadhataram, avanuchanam, avashishyam, avapashchattad, अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतोमान् पाहि पाहि समन्तात्. Please protect me, the speaker, the hearer, the teacher and the taught and the giver. Please protect me from all the sides and the directions that are north, south, east and west. त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि. You are the word, deed and thought. You are the truth, consciousness and bliss. You are the entire knowledge and science. You are the non-dual universal self. You are the personified Brahma appearing before us. Sarvam jagadan tvatto jayate, sarvam jagadan tvattastishthati, sarvam jagadan tvailayameshyati, sarvam jagadan tvai pratyeti, tvam bhumirapo nalo nilo navaha, tvam chatvari vakpadani. This world has been created by you, nourished by you, and again destroyed by you. This world leans towards you. You are the five elements of earth, water, fire, air and ether. You are the 4 line stanzas of all the hymns that are 4 levels of speech. Tvam gunatrayatitah, tvam dehatrayatitah, tvam kalatrayatitah, tvam mooladharasitosi nityam, tvam shaktitrayatmakah, tvam yogino dhyayanti nityam, tvam brahma, tvam vishnustvam rudrastvam indrastvam agnistam vayustvam suryastvam chandramastam brahma bhuvasvarom. You are beyond the 3 gunas, the 3 states of consciousness: conscious, sleeping and the dreaming, and the 3 time periods. You are seated in the Mooladhara chakra, that is pelvic region, from where the Kundalini Shakti is aroused. You are being meditated by the sages. You are the creator Brahma, the protector Vishnu, and the destroyer Rudra. You are the Indra, the fire, the air, the sun, the moon, and the 3 worlds. Gadadim Purma Ucharyam Varnadim Danandaram Anuswara Pardaraha Ardhendulsitam Tarena Ruddham Edatta Manuswarupam Kakaro Purva Rupam Akaro Madhyama Rupam Anuswara Shanta Rupam Bindurta Rupam Nadasandhanam Samhita Sandhi Saisha Ganesha Vidya Ganakurushihi Nichud Gayatri Chandaha Ganapatir Devata Om Ganganapataye Namaha. Your name starts with the letter G and it ends with the letter Sh, and in between come the letter A, that is an Anuswar M. These have symbolic meanings representing the ganas of the prosody and the letters and sounds of Akar, Anuswar of the language, and the Sandhis, that Sandhis means letter combinations of the grammar. The sage of the hymn is Ganak. Hymn is Stotra. The sage of the hymn is Ganak. Its meter, that is Chand, is Nichud Gayatri, and the presiding deity is Ganapati. I salute to the letter or sound Gam, the mantra bija Gam, with the M as Ardha Chandra Binduvarima is described as the true form of Ganapati. This part is giving the deeper Vedic meaning of the mantra bija Gam, and is called the Ganesha Vidya, the knowledge about the Ganesh. Ekadantaya vidmahe vakratundaya dhimahi tanno danti prachodayad. Praised to be bearer of a single tusk, which is twisted and crooked trunk. May we be inspired by the knowledge and the meditation. This verse is also one of many interesting dialogues. It has the nature of puzzle. One group says Ekadanta Vidmahe. We know someone called Ekadanta, and the other group responds Vakratundaya Dhimahi. We think of him as Vakratunda also. Now they both agree that they are talking about the same God. So they together say Tanno Danti Prachodayat. May he Danti invigorate us. Ekadantam Chaturhastam Pashamam Kushadharinam Radancha Vardam Hastair Vibhranam Mushakadbhujam Raktam Lambodaram Shurpakarnakam Raktavasam Raktagandhanuliptangam Raktapushpayasubojidam Bhaktanugambinam Devam Jagatkaranamachyutam Avirbhutancha Srushtadau Prakriteh Purushatparam Evan Dhyayatyo Nityam Suyogi Yoginam Varaha. The sage who meditates on the Lord in the following manner is better than the other sages who meditate otherwise. The Lord holding a tusk, a rope, and the instrument Ankush in 3 hands, and a 4th hand showing the boon-giving posture, and having his body smeared with a red fragrant paste, wearing red dress, and being worshipped by the red flowers, having the mouse as his carrier, a large stomach and long ears, compassionate to the devotees, being the cause of this earth. The one not sleeping and appearing in person in the beginning of the creation and being beyond the primordial nature. नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लंबोदराय एकदंताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसूताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमः. Salutations to the Lord of Gods and the one governing abstinence and discipline and controlling pride, to the large-limbed and single-tusked, to the remover of obstacles, to the son of Shiva and the boon giver incarnate. The Falashruti. एतत् अथर्वशीर्षं योधीते स ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते स सर्वविघ्नैर्न बाध्यते स सर्वतः सुखमेधते स पञ्चमहापापात् प्रमुच्यते सायमधीयानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाशयति प्रातर्धीयानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाशयति सायं प्रातः प्रयुञ्जानो अपापो भवति सर्वत्राधीयानो अपविघ्नो भवति धर्मार्थकाममोक्षं च विन्दति. इदम् अथर्वशीर्षम् अशिष्याय न देयं यो यदि मोहात् दास्यति स पापीयान् भवति सहस्रावर्तनात् यं यं कामयति ते तं तमनेन साधयेत्. Falashruti means the benefits of the reciting the hymn. Now for the fruits for the reading this hymn, the reader becomes equal to the Brahma. He attains all happiness and is released from the 5 great sins, that is Pancha Mahapap. If one reads in the evening, one is absolved of the sins committed during the day. If read in the morning, the sins of the night are washed away. If read both times, one is totally absolved of all the sins. Read anywhere, one is freed from the obstacles. One attains all the 4 objectives, that is dharma, artha, kama and moksha. One should not, however, teach this to the undeserving students. If done so through infatuation, the teacher will become the sinner, and if someone reads it 1,000 times, one achieves whatever is desired for. आनेन गणपतिम् अभिषिञ्चति स वाग्मी भवति चतुर्थ्यां मनश्नं जपति स विद्यावान् भवति इत्यमथर्वाक्यं ब्रह्माद्याचरं विद्यात् न बिभेति कदाचनेति. यो दुर्वाङ्कुरैर्यजति स वैश्रवणोपमो भवति यो लाजैर्यजति स यशोवान् भवति स मेधावान् भवति यो मोदकसहस्रेण यजति स वाञ्छितफलमवाप्नोति यः साध्यसमेभ्यर्यजति स सर्वं लभते. अष्टौ ब्राह्मणान् सम्यक् ग्राहयित्वा सूर्यवर्चस्वी भवति. सूर्यग्रहे महानद्यां प्रतिभासन्निधो वा जप्त्वा सिद्धमन्त्रो भवति. The devotee becomes the master of speech if read on the 4th day of the new moon or after the full moon. He becomes a great scholar and he knows no fear, never. If who worships with durva flowers becomes equal to the lord of wealth, that is Kubera. The worshipper who uses rice flakes becomes a man of fame and scholarship. If one uses 1,000 coconut sugar mixed rice balls, that is modak, obtains whatever he desires, and one who uses ghee and samit sticks, that is dry sticks of tree, attains everything indeed. By teaching this Atharva Shirsha to 8 Brahmins or praised Lord Ganpati with the help of 8 Brahmins, one becomes greater than the sun. Or if the idol is worshipped by chanting the mantra at the time of the solar eclipse by standing in a great river, one gets the effort of the mantra. महाविघ्नात् प्रमुच्यते महादोषात् प्रमुच्यते महापापात् प्रमुच्यते स सर्वविद् भवति स सर्वविद् भवति य एवं वेद इत्युपनिषद. By chanting this Atharva Shirsha mantra, he is released from the great obstacles. The devotee is released from the great obstacles, great defeats, the imperfections and the great sins. Om Sahanavatu Sahana Bhunattu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Mam Vidvishavahe. Let us both, the teacher and the taught, be protected together. Let us enjoy together. Let us endeavor together. Let our study be resplendent. Let us not hate or quarrel. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyama Deva Bhadram Paschemakshabhirjatraha Sthirairangair Sushtuvang Sastanubhirvakshemahi Deva Hitanjadayuhu. Om Swasti na Indro Vrdashravaha Swasti na Pukha Vishwavedaha Swasti na Staraksho Arishdhanemihi Swasti no Brihaspatir Dadhatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.